Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the glow plug relay and glow plug fuse are on this Bobcat UV34XL side by side. Obviously this has the diesel in it. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. So we're going to come over here to the passenger side, open the door, lift the seat up here. And then we're going to lift up this tray right here to access our fuse box. So to open the fuse box, you lift up these yellow tabs. Be a little bit of a pain. There we go. And then you push in these two tabs on either side. And there's your fuse box. So there's a legend here, but if yours wore off, your glow plug relay is right there, and your glow plug fuse is that 40 amp fuse right there. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching.